This video is going to introduce you to the SAMR model for technology integration. The SAMR model was developed for the purpose of helping teachers integrate technology in a meaningful way. As plans for technology use are made, we need to ensure that the technology is not just replacing paper and pencil, but that the use of technology redefines and transforms the students' learning and the connections that they are able to make. Substitution is the first level of technology integration. At this level, the technology is simply replacing the traditional methods, but there is no useful improvement. A common example of using technology as a substitute is when writing tasks that used to be completed with paper and pencil are now completed by using Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or another word processing program. Another example is when schools go paperless, and instead of printing off worksheets for students, the teachers post scanned worksheets online, and the students complete the worksheets using an app on their iPad. That technology did not change the actual task. The next level is augmentation, and during this stage, the technology allows for one or more improvements in the task. One example of this is when students not only use Google Docs to compose a paper, but they turn it in by sharing it with their teacher. Or, if using Microsoft Word, the student might email the paper to their teacher as an attachment. Another example of augmentation occurs when we use a learning management software or website to administer an assessment. The functionality of the assessment has been improved for the teachers because the program will grade the responses for them, and for the students because they may receive feedback faster, but the task itself is still an assessment. The first two levels of the SAMR model include uses of technology that enhance a student's product in some way. The modification and redefinition levels of technology integration cause the student's learning to be transformed. In modification, a task that was previously completed by each individual student can be redesigned to allow for students to share their products and learning with their peers. Instead of just the teacher giving feedback to the students give feedback to each other and collaborate with one another to demonstrate their learning. The highest level of technology integration, redefinition, allows for learning activities that, without technology, could not be accomplished. Learning is extended beyond the classroom and school walls by having students share their experiences and collaborate with classrooms across the world. Community partners could also be utilized to give students authentic audiences and a genuine contribution to their neighborhood. Using the SAMR model as we planned should help ensure that technology tools are being used to create more meaningful, lasting connections for our students and transform their learning experiences.